Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, one and only original, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no imposters or substitutes. And this is another episode of Mega Burgh Unboxing. And I had to call Amazon because my dot was screwing up and they've sent me a replacement. So here we go. And this is the replacement Echo Dot. And eventually I will get their Amazon show, which gives you video, and that's $129. So I'll open this up for those of you who have never seen an Alexa Dot. And I found it curious that the Dot, the Kindle, not the Kindle, the Apple TV with Siri and the Google device, speaker device, all have female voices. I wonder why that is. Are all three of these companies against men? So, well, there's no easy way. I'll just tear open the box. They were supposed to send me a label to return this, but I don't see any label in here, at least so far. So there's the Dot. This was $50 new. So this is a brand new Echo Dot, and I'm going to get a holder for it because it kept falling on the floor all the time and such. So, and there's the instruction manual, Ask Alexa, and what's this? Oh, the charging cable and the power. If I get out here. Power thing. So now when I set that up later today, I can have my Dot back and send the defective one back, and it was still under warranty, so I don't have to pay for it. So that's good. And the View I will get probably next year, and then get one for Kathy, and then I may get one for Justin so we can do our NFL picks, and he could be live on video. All right, that's what I've gotten in the mail today. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, with another episode of Mega Burgh Unboxing. Have a great day, and stay safe out there. Stay cool, wet, dry, or warm, as the case may be as well. Have a great weekend, and the noise you hear in the background is the air blower guy. He's here. It's Friday, which wreaks havoc with my sinuses. All right. Bye-bye for now.